Chapter 1: Business Opportunities in Horticulture. Objectives. After studying this unit, the student will be able to identify the different jobs and businesses opportunities in horticulture sector. Identify the luxury industries based on horticulture production. Introduction. Dear students, in class 11th, you have read about the meaning of horticulture, its different branches such as pomology, olericulture and floriculture, and importance of these branches of horticulture. During this process, you might have come across the question in mind that what for we are reading this subject. Some of you might have thought of neglecting it, and some might have thought to leave in between. Dear all, don't worry, it's not true. After reading this chapter, you will become to know that this subject has most valuable business opportunities. For example, you can go for higher studies to become a scientist or a teacher, or you can start growing fruits, vegetables, can become consultant, business manager, can open consultancy service, or can start business of fruits based processing industries as well. There is a lot of scope for a horticulturist than other subjects. Read this chapter and decide yourself. The following areas related to horticulture can provide business opportunities. Fruit cultivation. Cultivation of temperate, tropical and subtropical fruits is considered as one of the most lucrative enterprises. A horticulture graduate can start his or her own business of fruit growing as a fruit grower because he or she has gained sufficient scientific knowledge on fruit growing during his or her degree program. Although experience is gained only with practice, a graduate should also have full knowledge about package of practices of the fruits to be grown. However, near cities or towns, one can go for the business of growing perishable fruits, and in far away places we can grow fruits as per demand of the area or climate and soil conditions. Vegetable cultivation. Cultivation of vegetable in peri-urban areas is a demanding area and offers good opportunities. However, one has to prioritize the vegetable in demand over those which are less in demand. Near big cities, exotic vegetables are in demand. Hence, their cultivation in peri-urban areas can be a good business. Hybrid seed production in vegetable and flowers. Hybrid seeds of vegetables are and flowers are very costly and are unusually beyond the reach of a common farmer. It is because of the fact that hybrid seed is usually produced by big multinational companies. These companies are earning millions and millions. Our horticulture graduates run for government jobs rather than taking hybrid seed production as businesses. Our horticulture graduates can go for this as business. It is a little tricky business because we need to have technical knowledge on flowering in masculation and pollination of crop, of which hybrid seed has to be produced. But once this knowledge is acquired, one can take up this as a challenge business. Cut flower production. This business is flourishing in big cities and towns. Unfortunately, those who are involved in this business are non-horticulture persons who do not know the basics of proper handling of cut flowers during transportation or display. However, horticulture graduates can take up the business without a second thought. Fruit plant nursery as micro enterprises. In India, there are about 4,000 government and private nurseries of fruit plants. Still, there is always paucity of quality planting material. Moreover, most of the nursery system nursery nurserymen engaged in this business are illiterate or nearly so. Although raising of fruit plants nursery looks quite easy, but it requires technical skill for budding, grafting, transplanting, or packing for planting material. Hence, fruit plant nursery can be a good business choice for horticulture graduates. Vegetable and ornamental plants nursery. For fruit plant nursery, one require larger area, whereas for most of the following annuals and vegetables, little smaller area is required for nurseries. Hence, raising and maintaining of vegetable or ornamental plants nursery can be a good option in such localities. In big cities and towns, there is always a great demand for herbaceous perennials, shades, loving plants, climbers, etc. Hence, such plants can also be grown along with fruit plants nursery, which can be a good business opportunity for horticulture graduate. High-tech flower and vegetable nursery. Although several vegetables and flowers are produced by following routine practices, but due to rise in technical knowledge and purchasing power of consumers, there is always a demand for nursery plants raised through high-tech procedure. At several places, such nurseries have come to. However, unfortunately, such nurseries are by and large run by non-technical personnel rather than horticulture graduate. Thus, high-tech flower and vegetable nursery can also be a good business opportunity for horticulture graduates. Rising plants through micropropagation. In the modern era, there is a great demand for plants raised through tissue culture techniques. Now, micropropagation protocols have been developed for several horticulture crops. Micropropagation is a technical job which is highly suitable for horticulture graduate. However, before starting this type of business, you should look in to one for One, for which fruit, vegetable or ornamental plants demand is. Two, what about marketing channel etc. Before starting this business. Horticulture based processing industries. During the recent years, there has been significant increase in urbanization in cities. Significant amount of middle class families are living, which demand for processed products of fruits and vegetables such as fruit juice, squash, jam, jellies, pickles, preserves, etc. In our country, about 30-40% of horticulture produce is lost between harvesting and consumption due to improper handling of fruits and vegetables. This loss can be avoided or reduced significantly if fruits and vegetables are processed into value added products. Horticulture graduates can contribute in this direction by establishing processing units, although it requires huge money initially, but Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India provides subsidy on it. The processing industry are labor intensive and offer high employment potential in collection centers, grading, packing, loading या unloading, storage, warehouse and cold storage, transport, marketing and processing units. Dry flowers. In town and cities, there is a great demand for dry flowers. In fact, fresh flowers have a very short life. So, the concept of dry flowers has organized, orgi- originated in towns and cities. Moreover, dry flowers can also be used for making file covers, greeting cards, paper, weight, etc. This industry is flourishing nowadays, and horticulture graduate can grab the opportunity of flower drying as one of the business sales representative. Horticulture graduate can work act as business sales representative for several chemicals, fertilizers, pesticide required for growing of horticulture crops. A business sales representative promotes, markets, and distributes fruit-related products to retail or wholesale business and grower. Such personnel may work for companies which manufacture or sell chemicals, fertilizers, equipments, or processed value-added products, as well as plant suppliers. However, the educational requirement varies from company to company. Consultant. As horticulturist, one can act as consultant as well. After acquiring sufficient uh, education and experience either on production technology or nursery raising, hybrid seed production technology, one can definitely choose consultancy as his or her business. They provide expert advice to business and fruit growers. They may be specialized in one area. Nursery crops. Many are self-employed, others work from equipment companies, pesticide companies, or private organizations such as Reliance Foundation. This may require a minimum of a 4-year college degree and sometimes master's degree. Marketing manager of horticulture produce. Marketing of horticulture produce is a major problem in our country. After acquiring sufficient knowledge in horticulture, you can option the job of marketing of fresh horticulture produce. Ayurvedic medicines. Several horticulture plants can be used of manufacturing Ayurvedic medicines. For example, rose water is used to cure eyes ailments. Similarly, saffron is important ingredient of many medicines. Papain is a digestive enzyme. Citrus fruits like sweets lime is used for liver ailment. Rind of pomegranate and pectin from guava used for stomach upset. Bark of arjun trees of heart troubles. Neem water for skin irritation and allergic etc. Thus, we also have opportunity to join this business for good survival in the society. Business of essential oils, flowers and fragrances. Floral extracts like essential oils, alkaloids, pigments, dyes, etc. have tremendous demand in both domestic and international markets. In order to produce the highest quality extracts, highly sophisticated extraction methods and qualified personnel are required, for which horticulture graduate can be the best choice. Lecture assistants या प्रोफेसर ट्रेनीज एसोसिएट after acquire postgraduate degree, you have the option to join same state agriculture universities and college or ICAR institute as a lecture assistant professor or scientist respectively. They are required by state agriculture universities and college. For this, a minimum of master degree in horticulture with national eligibility test NET or doctoral degree in horticulture is required. Indian Council of Agriculture Research, New Delhi request scientists of its research institute in the field of horticulture through all India competitive test followed by an interview. Government development departments. A horticulture graduate has full chance to get a state government job as horticulture inspector or hort development officer. The duty of such officer is to take part in all state development programs related to horticulture. In some states, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, this post has been classified as class 1 status. Ancillary service for raising fruits, vegetables or ornamentals or their nurseries, several types for fertilizers, tools, insecticides, fungicides, irrigations, equipments, chemicals, growth irregulators, etc. are required. Thus, a horticulture graduate can also start a business for offering such service to the growers or nurserymen.